Find the static error constants for a unity feedback system having a forward path transfer function g of s equal to 50 upon s multiplied by s plus 10. For the above transfer function, interpret the steady state errors of the system for input r of t equal to 1 plus 2t plus t square. Find the static error constants. We have to find the Kp first. Kp equal to what? Limit s tends to 0, g of s. That is equal to limit s tends to 0, g of s is 50 upon s multiplied by s plus 10. That is equal to infinity. Kv equal to what? Kv equal to limit s tends to 0, s multiplied by g of s. That is equal to limit s tends to 0, s multiplied by 50 upon s multiplied by s plus 10. So 50 by 10, that is 5. Kv, velocity error constant. Acceleration error constant, Ka equal to limit s tends to 0, s square g of s. That is equal to s square multiplied by 50 upon s multiplied by s plus 10. That is equal to 0. So we got all static error constants. Now we have to find the steady state error for given r of t. R of t equal to what? 1 plus 2t plus t square. This implies r of s equal to 1 by s plus 2 by s square plus 2 by s cube. This is r of s. Therefore, steady state error ES is equal to limit s tends to 0, s r of s upon 1 plus g of s. That is equal to s r of s is 1 by s plus 2 by s square plus 2 by s cube whole divided by 1 plus 50 upon s multiplied by s plus 10. That is equal to, this will come to numerator, that's why it becomes s square multiplied by s plus 10. Because of this s, it becomes s square. Then 1 plus 1 by s plus 2 by s square plus 2 by s cube upon s multiplied by s plus 10 plus 50. Here you have to write limit s tends to 0, limit s tends to 0. Therefore, E steady state equal to, here if you bring this s square inside, if you bring this s square inside, what you will get? Therefore, E steady state equal to, E steady state equal to, if you bring this s square inside, what you will get is, yes, limit s tends to 0, limit s tends to 0, s plus 10, s plus 10. You bring that s square inside, what you will get? S plus 2 plus 2 by s, s in the denominator, divided by s plus 10 multiplied by s plus 50. If you apply s tends to 0, you will get 10 here. Here 2 plus infinity, 2 plus infinity divided by 0 plus 50. That is equal to infinity. Therefore, steady state error is infinity, unstable system.